Hey guys, so tonight I'm gonna make Bombay chicken with rice and curry sauce. So I got this from work and I'm going to crunch this up and use this as the breading. It's chickpea, flour, puff rice, cornflakes, peanuts, and spices. It's got I don't know, there's seasoning built into a couple of these. It's pretty tasty, so I thought it would be good to try this with chicken, breaded chicken. Okay, so you're also going to need a couple eggs and milk to do the breading part, and then rice. We are using jasmine rice. Then you need cinnamon, curry powder, olive oil. We use extra virgin olive oil, minced garlic, which you guys know we like to use this one, a ginger root, tomato sauce or tomato paste. I got sauce this time. Coconut milk, an onion. You can do the one of your choice. I like the purple. You're gonna need 1 cup of chicken broth, and I like to make my own. Salt, kosher, sea salt, or regular salt is fine. White sugar, and then of course, your chicken, which I've already tenderized mine. All right, I'm gonna start putting some stuff together for the chicken and I'll be back. All right, guys, I've got the Bombay chopped up, or squashed small as best I could do. There's still like a few big pieces, but for the most part, it's squished. And then I've got my milk and egg wash, and I'm going to dip my first piece of chicken. And I've got this hot. And I've got my rice cooking in the Instapot. I've been using that when we've been doing meals, because we need a lot more rice, and the rice cooker that we have doesn't hold very much. And this is my first time making this, so I can't promise how this is going to turn out, but we are going to attempt. Probably won't be super coated, but a little bit. You guys like to keep your grease from sloshing, get you one of these. I got it at Pampered Chef, and you just place it there and it helps your grease from popping. All right, my chicken is still cooking. 2 of the 4 left. Here's 2 that are done so far. Did a lot better than I thought they would. I'm gonna keep them up here for more. I've got the other 2 last ones cooking right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start the curry sauce. You're gonna need the olive oil and the onion. Like I said, you pick the onion that works best for you. I'm gonna saute these up for a few minutes. All right, once you've got your onion sauteed a little bit, you can see they're kind of brown. You're gonna add half a teaspoon of grated ginger, and then 2 cloves of garlic. And you know William really likes garlic, so I'm adding a little bit of extra. I'm gonna saute these up for just a few minutes. I'm gonna let these cook for a few minutes and I'll be back. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of the curry powder. pour in your cup of chicken broth. And then 1 can of the tomato sauce. Oh, I just said that. You're gonna bring this to a boil and then let it simmer for about 5 minutes. I'll be back. Now you're going to add your coconut milk. Stir it up real good, and then you're gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes. All right, guys, I'm gonna plate this. So here's the rice and the chicken. This is kind of a new concoction, so I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna plate it right now, but I'm gonna do it like this.
Oh yeah, this will work perfectly, Chris. I don't think it will. First nuclear power car. I don't think this is going to work how you think it's going to work. I think it's going to work perfect. I think it's going to work great. I think it's not your strong point.
All right, here it is.
They're not turning, just lock it in place.